Greetings and welcome to SEC 3302 Advanced Information Systems Security. My name is Dr. Galliano. This course is designed to provide you with an understanding of intrusion detection practices for organizational security. Throughout your studies in this course, the assignments, discussions, and assessments, you'll become aware of procedures for maintaining information assurance. You will analyze data and traffic to help find anomalies and potentially dangerous activity on the network. You will have weekly discussion posts worth 2 points each, and assignments and assessments worth roughly 10 points each. As I read through these assignments, I actually became quite excited for you. You will get to work on an information security handbook, a couple of PowerPoint presentations on encryption methodologies and auditing. You'll analyze a case study, and you'll plan out a vulnerability assessment for your penultimate assignment in the course. While all of these assignments will be engaging, that final assignment on vulnerability assessment is designed to allow you to develop your own vulnerability assessment plan for a fictional organization. My advice to you is to make the most of the assignments so that you can add them to your job-ready portfolio. You'll be gaining real-world experience, and your prospective employers will want to know about the kinds of projects you worked on while at Columbia Southern. Our textbook for this course is the 4th edition of the Boyle and Pankow Corporate Computer Security by Pearson Education. You will access the ebook using the VitalSource platform, and the link is in our Blackboard classroom. If you're going to be taking this course as a term course, you will have the discussions I talked about earlier. However, if you're taking it as a life-paced course, you will use a journal. Either way, it's the same course design and content, and the course is formatted like any other course you've had at Columbia Southern. So without further ado, if you have any questions or if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information, as always, will be in the Ask the Professor forum. Well, shall we get on with it? All I ask is you keep the gas pedal to the floor and give me your best effort. I look forward to working with you. Let's have fun over the next 8 weeks.